Did you think TikTok fame could shield anyone from real-life drama? Think again. The internet is absolutely buzzing as TMZ just dropped the complete, unedited, 2-hour police body cam footage from Taylor Frankie Paul's utterly chaotic 2023 arrest, finally exposing every shocking detail from that infamous night. Viewers are getting an exclusive, raw look at the domestic violence incident as it unfolded, starting from the moment officers swarmed her Utah home, straight through to Taylor being led away in handcuffs. The footage is truly intense, showing cops arriving at a visibly tense and emotional scene, struggling to separate Taylor from her boyfriend Dakota Mortensen as things rapidly spiraled out of control. Taylor appears alarmingly intoxicated throughout the video, stumbling, slurring her words, and even snapping at officers trying to manage the volatile situation. Meanwhile, Dakota is seen pleading with police, even showing injuries on his hand and elbow, and incredibly, begging them to take him to jail instead of Taylor once she's cuffed. Even her parents, who arrived to care for her children, were absolutely shocked and heartbroken by the disheartening situation their daughter found herself in, a raw look at the private turmoil behind the filtered fame. Don't miss out on more behind-the-scenes celebrity exposés. Hit that subscribe button.
Celebrity
to stay in
drama
the know.
never sleeps, and neither do we. Stay tuned.